machinist just got here. Let's see what's... Shirt cutter, Epson F2100. It's a pretty big box. Came in a fry truck. See, where's the knife? I'm opening this up. Oh, don't want to go too deep either. Might end up cutting something inside.
What the? Ah! Dropped my phone.
There she is, guys. There it is. All bagged up. We're probably gonna put it in this table for now till we find an actual good table. Yeah. I'm just keep unwrapping this, and then looks nice. This guys, not bad. I think I'm gonna have to switch my table around because it seems like the legs, these are just hanging off. So
you will see labels that show which cartridge goes into which slot. Place each cartridge into their appropriate location and press inward until you feel it click.
No se le escrito nada, ¿verdad?
okay, finally, Mama has arrived. Oh, and that's not the power button. This is the power button.
Press the blue one.
Yeah, I pressed the blue one instead of. And she works.
Then set the date and time using the arrow key. Once complete, press OK. Keep units to feet and inches. Press the button shown to bring the fan outward.
So I know a lot of you people are gonna ask me what happened to the other printer, the other DTG you had. Well, that thing gave out on me. At first, it was the print head that had gotten clogged for some reason. Even though I kept cleaning it and using it daily, for some reason it clogged up on me. So I ended up ordering another print head. By the time it got to me, I installed it, and for some reason it just wouldn't read anything. So the printer, like it just kept saying, I forgot what it kept saying, but it wouldn't work. And then for some reason, little by little, it just stopped turning on. I'm like, what the? Why would it stop turning on? And I took it apart. I tried looking to see what the part was or what the problem was, and I just couldn't figure it out. It just stopped working. So for trying to go the cheap route, I ended up paying way more, and I ended up just wasting too much money and time on that. I put too much effort into that machine, and in the end, for it to not work, I got kind of disappointed. But then I'm like, you know what? Let me just research and see if I find any any actual ones and actually invest in a good one. And that's when I came across this Epson F2100. It just seemed like the right fit and everything, for what I'm trying to do and stuff, and for what I need it for. So I went ahead and financed it and everything. So right now, I got it, and it finally shipped here. Right now, what it's doing, it's charging itself. In the instructional video, it tells you it takes about 30 minutes, but in the machine it says 33 minutes. It's no biggie, but I guess it's just the first time it turned on, so just gotta wait a bit. And as soon as everything's it's set up right now, so I'm just gonna see what's next, and then once I get started rolling, I'll start doing more videos, more content videos about it if you guys want, or anything. So yeah, just hit me up if you have any questions about the machine or any video ideas or anything.